Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the audio file and installing a plugin. This makes the rest faster. Import your MP3 or WAV into a project folder so you can drag it into Figma. Then open the Community tab, install an audio plugin like Audio Player or Figmotion, and authorize it. Once done, create a dedicated frame labeled Audio to place play, pause, and timeline controls. This keeps layers organized and prevents accidental movement while you wire interaction. You now embed the audio clip using the plugin's import option and position it inside the audio frame. Create visible play and pause buttons and assign meaningful layer names so interactions are easy to manage. Next, switch to prototype mode. Select the play button, set an on-click trigger, and choose the plugin's play action or a run plugin command if needed. Make sure to test loop and volume settings. Adjust opacity or icons so users understand state changes. You finish by thoroughly testing the file in present mode and in the browser you expect users to use. That reveals cross-environment issues. Tweak volume, loop, and audio file size if you notice stutter. Smaller files load faster. If the audio fails to play, reauthorize or reinstall the plugin, check permission prompts, and clear Figma cache before re-importing the file. One tip: check that layers aren't locked or hidden, as that often blocks interactive controls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.